Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the container-wise export or import details in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. From the Accounts module, go to the Job Reports Accounts menu. From the Job Reports Accounts, select the Job List Summary. On this job list summary page, give the required details such as date range, from date, to date, and click submit. Now, the job list summary has been displayed on the screen. Here, we can view the container details such as the types of containers and the total number of containers. This is how to view the container-wise export or import details in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.